Now the event, I say make I call the member of Igbo Cultural Society Austria New Yam Festival and 20th anniversary. Now the only place where you come in town, Igbo people they do the New Yam anniversary and 20th anniversary together. My brother, make you run go buy a ticket to event plenty for ground. My brothers, food plenty brekete. Cultural dance for grass they go come. Our only Enyimba we get new things where they won't give us. My brother, they go shake the country well. Oh, I will get DJ Jakarta. He there for one corner. He do his own. My brother, come up una come see the only musician wey come all the way from Nigeria. Solo Spino, he go dey grand that day. My brother, make una come see am. Enjoyment plenty oh. Food dey brekete. African foods. Dem plenty well. Music dey brekete. Cultural dance, that one na elelele. Make una come see am o. Make una come see plenty cultural dance o. My brothers and sisters, the address be Baudis Gase, number 5 to 7 for 11 district. My brother, make you come follow us jolly oh. My sister, tomorrow go be helele. If you never buy your ticket, make you run go grab your ticket now because tomorrow it go be helele. Tomorrow it go be hammer.
Ego neku wanna know intro, everyone in this. If you want baba in this, cause you spend the money like where's Gibo Nina Bundas, everyone in this. If you want baba in this, got my biggest seats are there. In the east, Nina Bundas.
Guys from the east.